How to react to DMs with emojis in Bluesky. Firstly, go to the official website of Bluesky and make sure that you are logged in or sign into your account. On the left side, click on Chats to see all your messages. If you don't have any kind of messages and you are new, click on New Chat. Now type in your friend's account or the person that you'd like to message. Click on the account to open their DM. At the bottom, you will see a text box. Simply type in whatever you would like to type. After typing your message, click on the emoji icon to send an emoji. You will see different kind of emojis that are available for dogs, foods, sports, cars, and many more. You can browse through all of them to select the one that you like. If you like an emoji, then you cannot save them or there is no favorite section. But in the frequently used section, all the emojis that you have recently used will be available. Now click enter to send the DM. That's all for today. Thank you.